All right, so we had this area right here by the house, which was some weird garden that the last owner put in, but we don't keep it up because there's so many deer around here and we don't have a deer fence. It just kind of all gets eaten. So we've been toying with the idea for a fire pit for a while. My sister and her husband bought us a fire pit, kind of modern square unit, which we're really into, but we needed a home around it. So spent the whole morning just digging out this area. We're gonna lay some stone in it, buy some chairs, maybe get a nice light hanging out of the tree or something, but trying to create a vibe, something else to do right outside at night rather than just sit on the deck. Outdoor fires are obviously super enjoyable to share those moments with your friends, your family, whoever. So the ground had a bit of a slope, so leveling it out. Then we're gonna order some stone tomorrow, hopefully have that a couple days this week. Also outline it with a border of rock, but this thing is coming along. Sorry I didn't get you going from the start. I wish I had a true before and after, but we just kind of jumped into it and I forgot. So anyway, back to work. Made pretty good headway here. Pretty much done. Got a little levels up, you know, fruits of the labor. But gonna get some stone, order that, fill this in. But this thing is looking dynamite. Cheers, bro. Oh yeah. Our next move for the fireplace build is stones. Gotta get our stones to frame it in. Gotta get our stones for the base around the fire pit for the chairs to go on. We're out here looking at this stuff. Blue stone. I think this is too small. 3/8 or 3/4? 3/8. Yeah. Absolutely. I think that's really nice. Not only do we need stone for the base, but we need to build a retaining wall, keep all the stone in. We're trying to find what would aesthetically and functionally look really good. It's harder than you think. You always got something in your mind that you've seen on the internet, but you can't always find it. Time has come to fill in the fire pit with stone. Yeah, we still got to work on the border, but put the stone in now. Chairs are supposed to come today, and then next week we'll put stone border in and call it a day. Here we go. We just put some chairs together. Back is crushed, but look at this thing. That, my friends, is the first stage of a fire pit. Again, we're gonna line the outsides with proper stone, put some plants around it. I'm proud of this. 3 days work, not too tough. Took some time to get the stone and supplies, but hey, this definitely calls for a Coors Light. Just something that feels really good about building something and then using it right after. You can do all this work for other types of business, but manual labor is just immediately fulfilling, rewarding. It's amazing. All right, it is going into the final stage of the fire pit here. Hannah's just out here being a cheerleader. So today's mission is to put troughs in around the outside of the fire pit. And then we're gonna take these 64 blocks and line the fire pit perfectly. And then we're gonna be done. After that, it's landscaping, planting, and chilling. We're gonna get there. Right, Hands?
We're gonna get there.
All right, back to work. We got our first side in, looking pretty good. Almost straight, but good enough. We're gonna get some plants around there. No one's gonna notice except for us. Now we're gonna hammer in the other sides, finish it out. That's it. Fire pit is done. We set it back up. We're gonna enjoy a beer and get some landscaping done on the outside. Just now some plants. That'll be for another video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Get after your home projects while you can. Right now we got nothing but time at home, all of us, whether you're painting a wall, fixing a chair, repainting your fireplace, refinishing a table, whatever you want to do. Lots of time. We got a yard. We're gonna make use of it. So do you, do better. Stay busy, have fun, educate yourselves, and enjoy. All right.